Hey guys, it's Kate22 Lee, and I'm so excited to be doing a new YouTube channel, and I got a new phone too. So today I'm going to be doing a YouTube channel about the new and approved Fidget Cubes. Fidget Cubes! Okay, so they just came out about like 3 weeks ago. I don't know when they first came out, but I got mine for a relief. It can do all kind of tricks. It keeps you concentrated, so I'm going to show you how it works. So let's get on with the video. So first thing is this side. It has the clicks, and you can roll it and press it, and it keeps you very motivated in something. You can flick him like this. You can roll it. Sorry, I'm just watching TV. You can roll it and everything. And then, yes, I really like this side because it's very fun. And here is a closer look at it. Okay. Here is our next side. It's like this part is like a game controller. You can just flick it and flick it and flick it. So you just can't stop flicking it anymore. Here's it up close. By the way. And then I already did these two, right? Wait, I already did this one and this one. So here's the next one. You can just, people just think it's a black circle when it's not. You can spin it so your hands stop. So your hands won't even stop. And then this side, and then we're gonna do this right here. It's like something you can move the whole circle with, but not swing it. That's so cool to me. I really like that one. And then this one side, this is the last side of it. Well, this is one of the last sides of it. It's like a 5 square thing. Sorry, The Amazing World of Gumball is on, and I love that show. And the 5 cube. Yeah. Here's it up close. Oh, I forgot to do this one up close. And this one. Sorry. And here's the last part. It relaxes your finger on anything. Anything. It's so fun because it's easy. And here is a fidget cube. Some people think fidget cubes and fidget spinners are useless, but they're not. They keep kids concentrated and expanding on something else than just on their phones and the television and all of that, and the TV, worried about other things, other people and everything. So they actually keep you motivated for one chance. That's exactly what a fidget cube is. Thanks for watching. Bye!